What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to NeuroSketch with Dr. Kenny. But if this is the first time you've seen this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to Anatomy Practical Exam questions, and this is what we have. Okay, so as a part of the exam question, you are asked to name the pointed region, not the opening now. Okay, not opening region. Okay, so what is this region? And then the second question, name one structure attaching to this region. Oh my God. Okay, so what is this region? This region of the mandible, which is anterior to the mandibular foramen, is called the lingula. Lingula is like the tongue, like the tongue of the mandible. So it's a lingula of the mandible, and be sure to name the mandible because we also have the lingula of the lung and some other parts that have malar lingula. Okay, so what are the structures attaching to this region? Have you ever heard of sphenomandibular ligament? It's a ligament which connects sphenoid bone to the mandible. The sphenomandibular ligament is attaching to the to this lingula of the mandible. Lingula of the mandible. Other possible questions that you might be asking in mandible, you might be asked to name this groove. This groove here, which is what? And then you have a line. So this is groove, mylohyoid groove, which is for mylohyoid nerve or nerve to mylohyoid. And remember, the nerve to mylohyoid is a branch of V3. Is going to supply them. It's going to supply this structure, the mylohyoid muscle. And then we have this line here, which is called the mylohyoid line. Is where these muscles are attaching the mylohyoid line. This can also be asked in your exam. But you might also be asked to name other relevant structures, for example, the coronoid process of the mandible and the condylar process of the mandible, the condyle, mandibular condyle. Okay, see you into the next question. Zimamoto aishi, paka ishe.